Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix keeps vibrating in Samsung Galaxy S26. First of all, install Nice Catch app. Open Play Store. Now click on search. Search Nice Catch app. Nice Catch. Now click on Nice Catch app. Here you will see Nice Catch apps. Now select apps. Now click on install. After click on install, Nice Catch app will be installed from your phone. Now go back. After that, turn off notification alerts. Open settings, scroll down, click on apps. Here you will see apps. Select app that you want to turn off notification. After selecting apps, click on notification. Here you will see allow notification option. And if you want to turn off notification alerts, then turn off this button. After turning off this button, turn off notification alert from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open settings, scroll down, click on software update, click on download and install. Here you will see update option, and if you want to update software, then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all settings. Open settings, scroll down, click on general management, click on reset, click on reset all settings, click on reset settings. After click on reset settings, all settings will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix keeps vibrating in Samsung Galaxy S26. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.